Have you ever wanted to transform your text or words into speech or voiceover? Many of you have been wondering where to get free AI voiceover that is alternative of Elevenlabs, that is realistic for your faceless YouTube channel, your African Folktale channel, and so on. In this video, I will show you where to get your free AI tools to convert your text or words into speech or voiceover. And this AI voiceover is realistic for your YouTube videos because there are some unrealistic voiceover that you cannot monetize on YouTube. Those voiceover that sound so robotic, you cannot monetize them, but you can monetize all those ones that have human-like touch emotions whenever they talk. I will go ahead and show you some examples so you can understand what I'm talking about. This is the kind of voice that you can monetize because it has that human-like emotions inside it. So I'm just going to play it so you listen.
Good afternoon. I am capable of reading any text that you type here.
This kind of voice, you cannot monetize it because it sounds like a robot. So I'm just going to play it and you listen.
Good afternoon. I am capable of reading any text that you type here.
I'm going to be listing 5 free places to get your AI voiceover, and my number 1 is the best and you don't want to miss it. So watch to the end so you don't miss out on anything. And also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you so much as you do so. Now let's dive into the video. Each one is TTS Maker. So just go to your browser and type this TTS Maker. Is going to prompt you to this interface. So this is the interface for the TTS website, and this box here is for you to input your text that you want to convert into speech. So from this English, you can select the languages that you want. Like it has so many languages for you to choose from. They have a list of so many languages. So from here you can choose what you want. So I'm just going to just go to English because that's what I want. So it has so many voices for you to choose from. So that is going to play it for you to voice of the characters.
TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
I said before, there are some voices that you cannot monetize on YouTube and the ones that you can monetize on YouTube. So that this one you can monetize it because it has human characters. And some people have been asking me if they can get children and the child's voice. And so I'm just going to show you where you can, and they even have the child's voice. So I'm just going to just play so you can know the child's voice. They have United Kingdom female child. So if you have been looking for a voice that can portray a character, that if you want to portray a child in your voice, so this one is actually good for you. So I'm just going to play it.
VoiceMaker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
And they have good characters for you. So you're just going to, if you want to, just from here, you paste your text, the text you want to convert to your speech. So I'm just going to paste it here. So from here now, you put your captcha code. Once you put your captcha code, you convert it to speech. And once you convert it to speech, you are good to go. So stick to the end because you don't want to miss the number 4, the number 3, number 2, or 1. I will bring it to you. So I'm just going to head on to the next one. The next one is 1, 2, 3 apps. So I'm just going to head on to it. So the number 4 on our list is 1, 2, 3 apps. So just go to your browser and type 1, 2, 3 apps. We're just going to prompt up to you. So this is it. Want to prompt you to this interface. It has so many things for you to choose from. It has video editor. They even have screen recorder. They have text to speech, and they have, if you want to also remove your logo, you can. They have so many things for you to choose from. But right now we are not focusing on all those ones. We are focusing on text to speech. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on text to speech. Once it opens up, you click on create projects. So this is the interface of 1, 2, 3 apps. Before we continue, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also leave a comment. Thank you so much as you do so because it helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. So I'm just going to go ahead and just show you the languages they have. They have so many languages. They have English UK, they have English US, they have English Australia, they have English India. They have so many languages for you to choose from. I'm just going to exit it because I'm just going to stick with the English in US. Then they have your male voice. So I'm just going to just play some of the characters so you can hear the voice. I'm just going to play some of it. So I'll start from the male.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and so much more.
And all this voice, they are monetizable because they have human emotions in them. So that's why I'm actually bringing you all this this one. That's why I'm actually showing you this website, because they have human emotions in them. So whenever you want to choose your own character, choose the one that have human emotions. So you don't choose any robotic voice that will make them not monetize you. So choose human emotion voice, the one that seems to have human emotion, not like all the robotic voices. But I'm just like I said before, like I showed it in the previous video. So choose human like voices. So I'm just going to play some of it again. Just maybe some female.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images.
Then from here you can paste your speech. From here you can paste your text. So you can also preview it. You can also preview whatever you want to do there. So once you are done pasting whatever your text that you want to convert to speech, then you can click on add. Once you click on add, they will convert it for you immediately. Once you are done, just click save here. It will save for you, then export it. Once you export, it will export straight to your downloads or wherever you want to save it into your video. Well, we are done with this now, so I'm just going to go ahead and get to the third one. The third one we're going to head on now is VoiceMaker. So this VoiceMaker, this is it. So just go to your browser and type VoiceMaker. This is the third one on our list. So stick to the end because you don't want to miss the first one. But before we continue, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also leave a comment. It helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much as you do so. This is the interface of the VoiceMaker. This is it. If you want to, this is where the box that you have to just include your text. So you can paste your text here. This is the box for you to paste your text, so you can understand what I'm trying to talk about. So from here now, they have so many things for it. You can either change your settings here. So we're just going to leave it as it is because it's actually okay like this. So I'm just going to show you how the list of so many things they have. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on change voice because I want to just show you where you can change your voice and add your characters, your female characters and your male characters. So from here, from this place, click on change so you can change your characters from the language, so you can see the list of the languages they have in case if you want the specific language that you want. So from here they have so many languages. They even have English South Africa, they have English Nigeria, which is where I'm from. So that is why I love this VoiceMaker. So I'm just going to head on to the English part so you can see the list of the English they have. They have English, British, Canada, Hong Kong, and so many blah 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 languages. So you can go ahead. They have English Nigeria, and definitely my most used because of course I love whenever they have Nigeria. So I'm just going to play so you can actually see it.
I am capable of reading any text that you type here.
And they always seem to have that human-like emotions, which I was talking about. So any voice, any AI voice that have human-like emotions is your go-to because YouTube monetize any human-like emotions. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on English US for us to just explore some of the other things they have. So from here, I'm just going to click on English US. So from the English US, some people have Peaceless YouTube channel that sometimes, or African Folktale channel, or so many things you want to do that you need child characters, like baby character or child characters. But once you want to search for it, you don't actually know the ones where to actually go to search for the characters that you need for your baby. So from here, from your English US, they have they have male, they have female, they have child. So these are the categories they have. So you can click on child. So you can actually maybe choose from the one you want, the character you want. So I'm just going to click on child so you can actually understand. So I'll start from the female, of course, the female.
Good afternoon. I am capable of...
So I'm just going to start from the female.
Good afternoon. I am capable of reading any text that you type here. For example, here is a quote.
So I'm just going to play all of it so you can listen.
Good afternoon. I am capable of reading any text that you type.
And they have this one too.
Good afternoon. I'm capable of reading any text that you type here. For example,
I'm going to play this one.
Good afternoon. I am capable of reading any text that you...
Good afternoon. I am capable of reading any text that you type here.
I'm just going to go ahead and choose this male character, John, because I like the voice and it's actually very okay. So once you choose your voice or you click on it, make sure you click on it because once you go back, that's the voice you use. And this is where you paste your text that you want to convert into speech. And once you are done, you just have to click on convert to speech and it will convert for you. And that's basically it. So we're just going to head on to the next one, which is our second one. The second one is text to speech OpenAI. If you want to go to your text to speech, this is the one we are going to be needing. Please, not this one, not this one. The second one, this text to speech OpenAI. So just click on it to prompt you to this interface because this is the interface of the text to speech OpenAI. And I love this one, and it is my second because I love how the setup, the interface of it, and how professional it is. So that's basically it. This is the box for you to impute your text. So I'm just going to like impute my text. So this is it. This is where you select your voice, and they have a list of voice library. And another cool feature, I love about this text to speech is that you can choose your accents. You can choose the assets, you can choose so many of it. I'm just going to go ahead and click on America. Then you can choose your age. So I'm just going to choose on middle age. Then I'm just going to click on female. Then click on system voice, and it will exactly bring everything I want. You can, it's a very cool feature. Like you can choose your accents, the accents you want. You can click on the age. You can click on the gender. So they made it very easy. They made it actually very easy for you to actually use. So so from here now you can actually see it. Female, middle age, female character. So this is it. I'm just going to just play the sample so you can hear their voice.
So sudden was it, and so unexpected, that Buck was taken aback.
So I'm just going to just maybe play this one.
Day after day, for days unending, Buck toiled in the traces. Always.
This is their voice library. They have so many voices for you to choose from their voice library. Like they have a lot. So I'm just going to just pick one or two.
And Buck was truly a red-eyed devil. As he drew himself together for the spring, hair bristling, mouth foaming, a mad
character, male. I'm just going to just choose Brian.
Buck's first day on the Daya beach was like a nightmare. Every hour was filled with shock and
so you see why I said this is my third pick, because they have so many things. They have old character. So if you want to make something about older person and you don't know where to get an older voice for you to choose for your YouTube video, this is your go-to. This text to speech OpenAI. You can just go and choose old male character and it will prompt out to this place, and you can actually see it. It sounded so old.
and surprise. He had been suddenly jerked from the heart of civilization and flung into the heart.
Once you are done choosing your character or whatever voice that you made, so just paste your text and click on create speech, but don't max out your 3,000 characters. Once you max it out, then you can save it, then come back again and redo the same thing, because they only give you chance for 3,000 characters per speech. So once you max it out, you can save it, then come back and redo it again until you finish whatever you want to generate. So I'm just going to go ahead and say our number one. So I'm just going to go ahead and play our number one. Number one is Clipchamp. Clipchamp, of course, if you've been watching my videos, you know I use Clipchamp a lot. I love Clipchamp because they give you 10,000 characters. Like 10,000 characters, that is a lot. So I'm just going to click on create a new video. Once you click on create a video, from here you are going to click on record and create. From record and create, you have to just go down, then click on text to speech. Then after your text to speech, this is the box for you to paste your word, and they give you maximum duration of 10 minutes. The reason why I'm choosing this Clipchamp is that they give you 10 minutes. Most of them don't even give you 10 minutes, all of them. So, but this one gives you longer 10 minutes, and that is enough. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the language, so you can also see the languages that they have. They have so many English for you to choose from, and so many other language. they have Chinese, they have Canada, Hong Kong, India, Kenya, they have Nigeria, they have Philippines, they have South Africa, Tanzania. They have so many languages for you to choose from. So just go through whatever list that you want. So I'm just going to maybe click on Nigeria, of course, so we can test out that one. So I'm just going to like play it so you can hear the voice.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
They have Ezine. They only give you 2 characters in the Nigerian one. They have Ezine. They have male. Male is the Abel. So I'm just going to click on it so we can hear it out.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
So from there, let me just go to English US, which everybody commonly use, multilingual. I also love other multilingual because it resonates with me and I always use it. So I'm just going to click on it and let's hear it out.
From a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
And they have all these human-like tone that I want. So all these voices are free to use, but you also have to be mindful of the how many character or the maximum characters that you want to just whatever you want to press it when you look out for the characters on their maximums, so you don't exceed it. Once you exceed it, you can always come back and redo the same process and get your text to speech. But all these ones I just gave you are very nice, and I mostly use Clipchamp because it gives me 10 minutes duration. So from here you can paste your text. Once you paste your text, you can preview it from the preview, then you can save it. From here you can click on save, and that's basically it. I will also leave the link of my African Folktale channel on the description below. Please do well to check it out and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.